Here are the two schools for tonight's show, Knox College and Lacovia High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Knox College is represented today by Team Captain Tajon Jibison, Mikel Douglas, Nigel Walker, and Ayodeji Adedipe, while Lacovia High is represented by Kahim Newsom, Dejon Wright, Courtney Nemhard, and team captain Denardo Newsom. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to this first match of this evening's doubleheader and the 22nd match in round one here of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Lacovia High won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have that time on the clock, please. Lacovia High, your first question is in chemistry, which is generally regarded as the most ductile of all known metals.
Iron.
Incorrect. Platinum. Chemistry for Knox College. Name the adjective used to describe metals that can be easily beaten into sheets.
Malleable.
Correct. Local affairs, a visual clue for Lacovia. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Omar Davis.
Former Member of Parliament. Correct. Local affairs for Knox. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Dayton Campbell.
Well done. Dayton Campbell.
Member of Parliament. Correct. Mathematics for Lacovia. In a group of 120 people, 90 are more than 30 years old. The others are less than 20 years old. If a person is selected at random, what is the probability that they are less than 20 years old? Incorrect. 0.25 or 1/4. Mathematics for Knox College. A six-sided die is rolled once. What is the probability that the number rolled is an even number greater than 2?
1/3.
Or 2/6. Correct. Music and audio clue for Lacovia. Listen to the following clip and identify the artist.
Usher.
That's right. Music for Knox. Listen to the following clip and identify this artist.
Jesse Derulo.
Is correct. History for Lacovia. The Siboneyes were a Taino people that mostly populated which Caribbean country during the Spanish colonization?
Cuba.
Correct. History for Knox. What were the Tainos in the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Islands called?
Lucayans.
That's right. Theater and cinema visual clue for Lacovia. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
John Dalton.
Incorrect. Chuck Norris. Theater and cinema for Knox College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Vin Diesel.
That's right. Physics for Lacovia. What does C represent in the equation E equals mc squared?
Speed.
Judges?
Speed of light.
Speed of light came after, but that's, I think we had ruled you incorrect. Judges, that's up to you. Physics for Knox. What does the A represent in the equation F equals ma?
Acceleration.
That's right. Sport, a visual clue for Lacovia. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Mesut Ozil.
That's right. Sport for Knox. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sergio Ramos. Sergio Ramos.
Very good. Lacovia, Spanish. What color is morado?
Purple.
Purple.
That's correct. Spanish for Knox. What color is amarillo?
Yellow. Yellow.
That's right. Information technology for Lacovia. What is the name for a packet of information sent from a website to a browser to be stored on the user's computer?
Give me some time.
PDF.
Sorry?
PDF.
Incorrect. That's a cookie. Information technology for Knox. Which free email service was founded in 1966 by Jack Smith and Sabir Bhatia?
Hotmail.
Hotmail.
Is right. Literature for Lacovia. Who is the writer of the play Fences?
William Shakespeare.
William Shakespeare.
Incorrect. August Wilson. Literature for Knox College. Who is the author of the novel The Color Purple?
Alice Walker. Alice Walker.
Is correct. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening's first match. Scores look to be Knox College on 11 points, Lacovia High on 5 points. It's time to pause now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Jamaican Heritage. The question is, complete the Jamaican proverb, old file can't sharpen. Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.